Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. You can ask the flowers, I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the billy-coo birds. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. You can ask the flowers, I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the billy-coo birds. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you.
To my first and last boyfriend, the love of my life and the only Rog I have. We started as strangers and now I can't imagine a day without you. Naalala ko pa kung paano ka magpanggap sa chat na nakita mo ko at nakasama mo ko sa scouting kahit hindi naman talaga.
I assure you that I will always be your confidant, companion, and strongest defender. Today, I am the most fortunate man ever to be standing in front of you, taking you to be my wife, my partner in life, and my one true love. I will cherish our friendship and love you today, tomorrow, and forever. I will laugh with you and cry with you, through the best and the worst, through the difficult and the easy.
Ate, aalis ka na. Oh, may bagong pamilya.
Ngunit kahit
simula doon hanggang sa aksidente tayong unang magkita, tandang-tanda ko pa. Sa National Bookstore, nung narinig ko yung boses mo, iba pala pag may spark na kahit di mo pa nakikita, nararamdaman mo na yung kilig, yung kaba, at hanggang sa nagtuloy-tuloy yung love story natin.
From this life until the next, I will still love you. I will still choose you. Gapalangga, tika.
I promise to you and to God that I will choose you every single day. Ikaw at ikaw lang palagi, walang iba.
Pero kahit may harap,
I love you, my forever. Totoo na to sa harap ng pamilya ko, pamilya mo, sa Diyos, sinusumpa ko, habang buhay at puno ng katotohanan. Here's to us, today, tomorrow, and every day after. My Rogin Joseph.
Alam kong ito na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin dalawa, na noon pa pinapangarap natin, simula pa nung niligawan kita. Ang tagal ko rin nilook forward tong araw na to, na papakasalan kita at ikaw talaga yung babaeng makakasama ko habang buhay.
As it says in Ruth 1 verse 16 to 17, where you go, I will go. Where you stay, I will stay. May the Lord deal with me, be it forever, so severely, even if that separates you and me.
hey!
Trust and obey the Lord, and all things else will follow. So, just like Matthew 6:33, I claim it still sa buhay mo, and Jeremiah 29:11. Obedience to the Lord and trust Him fully.
habang in-enjoy ko yung marriage nyo, yung pagsasama nyo, reconciliation and forgiveness.
Yes.
Ilan sa mga ano yan, grabe, susi para sa pagsasama. And also, syempre, samahan niyo palagi ng prayers.
We know that the key is always trust and obey. No matter what, we don't know the next steps, but then we know and we trust the Lord that He will give you the best thing as we trust and obey. And then, of course, remember that God loves you, and we, Joren, alam mo yan, Mommy, Daddy, and Julian are always here. We love you both. Thank you, and God bless. Congratulations!